Story and Lee, the Tennessee Valley's most dynamic furniture store, featuring our Made in America galleries with solid wood dining and bedrooms, leather furniture, mattresses, and so much more. You want it? We've got it. With our 3 acres of showroom and our huge warehouse, we're sure to have exactly what you want. And it's all ready to be delivered to your home absolutely free. Just try that anywhere else. We are Story and Lee.
From the Tennessee Valley Weather Channel, this is your afternoon update.
Friday is finally here. The weekend is so close. This weekend, you do have to stay weather aware. On Saturday during the afternoon and evening, we do have the threat for strong to severe storms. I will have everything you need to know in this midday weather update, starting with the current conditions. Earlier this morning, we had sunshine. A few clouds are moving in ahead of this cold front that we are keeping a very close eye on, going to be impacting us tomorrow here in the Tennessee Valley. But overall, we should be mainly dry for the rest of this afternoon with just a few sprinkles and light showers possible by this evening. Overall, again, this is for tomorrow, Saturday's severe weather risk. This SPC has us in a level 2 out of 5 risk. Pretty much everybody except for the majority of Morgan County, Alabama, in that level 2 out of 5 risk for severe weather. We will talk about the potential threats as well as the timing with this weather system here in just a few minutes. Let's go ahead and play through the rest of today first. Again, clouds will continue to move in for the rest of today with winds breezy out of the south, ushering in some warmer air for us here in the region. Temperatures will be making it into the low to mid 60s with winds blowing 15 to 20 miles an hour. Some gusts may be a little bit stronger than that. So it will be breezy both today, tomorrow, and even into Sunday on the backside of this front. Again, just a few very spotty showers for this evening as temperatures fall not too far, just into the upper 50s this evening. Going to be more of a mild evening, and again, just a few spotty showers will continue into the overnight hours and for your Saturday morning. Saturday, we're going to have a mostly cloudy sky, but we could see a few peaks of sunshine as the morning and afternoon progresses here on Futurecast, showing temperatures getting up into the upper 60s to maybe even some lower 70s out there, and that's not completely out of the question if we do get some breaks in the clouds. Now that's going to be key as well heading into the afternoon and evening because we're not seeing any storm development, but we could see a few initial storms pop up around the 6 o'clock hour. Even before between 3 and 6 o'clock is when we could start to see a few storms pop up that we will have to watch very closely, and that is pretty much when our strong to severe threat is going to start. But we have a main line of strong thunderstorms potentially heading into the rest of the evening. About 9 o'clock is when that main line is going to come through that we will also have to watch very closely for damaging winds as well as very heavy rainfall, and can't rule out a few tornadoes as well. Not looking like a tornado outbreak by any means, and no emphasis on the tornado threat. I think the emphasis is really going to be on the damaging winds as well as the heavy rainfall and potential for flash flooding. That storm system will continue to push to the east as we head throughout the overnight hours and into the very early morning hours of Sunday. We could see a few lingering rain showers, but winds will be then out of the north blowing pretty strongly, about 15 to 20 miles an hour, bringing in some colder air on the backside of that front. You see temperatures falling very quickly throughout the afternoon on Sunday, but we should be dry after we get through those morning lingering rain showers. So overall, here is what our thoughts are heading into tomorrow afternoon and evening in terms of impacts. Again, we can't rule out a few tornadoes. It's certainly on the table. However, a lot of parameters have to come into play for that to come to fruition. And like we've been saying, the worst case scenario is we see a few red polygons and maybe a tornado or two touch down in the area, but we're not talking a tornado outbreak by any means, but it is something we are going to watch out for and keep an eye out for. Something you do need to prepare for here in the Tennessee Valley. High wind with damaging gusts of 50 to 60 miles an hour, certainly possible with this weather system that comes through, and with just the regular non-thunderstorm winds gusting up to 30 to 40 miles an hour because it is a strong frontal system. Heading into the next threat, hail, P to dime size hail is possible, but still on the low end of the totem pole, not a main concern for us by any means. But one of our main concerns is definitely localized flash flooding because we could see upwards of 2.5 inches of rainfall when it's all said and done. Yes, we do need the rain, but it is going to fall in a short period of time. So that's why we are going to have to watch out for the potential for flooding and flash flooding, mainly on streets and roadways. So be sure to stay weather aware heading into tomorrow's potential for strong to severe storms. If you do not already have our free Tennessee Valley Weather app, be sure to go download that in any app store. Again, it is completely free. You will be able to follow along with the storms on Viper radar, and you will also get any sort of watch warning alerts to your phones, and you can watch us live there as well. Now, beyond Saturday, we really dry out here in the Tennessee Valley. Heading into Sunday, again, just a few morning showers possible, but then we do start our drying trend, and it will be chilly for the beginning half of next week, but we will be dry with plenty of sunshine. So we do just have to get through Saturday, and we will help you to get you through it. If you're heading out to dinner this evening, a few rain showers are possible, but again, very spotty in nature. I wouldn't even really count on it. I think the better chance for a few showers comes after 8 p.m., but the chance is still there. So if you feel the need to, grab your umbrella or the rain gear, but I don't think you need to. A temperature is staying in the upper 50s. Here's a look at your 7-day forecast from the Tennessee Valley Weather Center. Again, a few showers possible overnight, but very spotty and isolated in nature. Temperatures this afternoon getting up into the low to mid 60s, mid to upper 60s, and maybe a few 70s out there if we see some breaks in the sunshine tomorrow afternoon, with the threat for those strong to severe storms mainly after 3 p.m. with the main line coming through mainly after 8 p.m. here in the Tennessee Valley. And then those showers will come to an end Sunday. I think by midday they really should be wrapped up, and we will get to cooling down with temperatures reaching the upper 40s and falling throughout the afternoon, with plenty of sunshine back by Monday. Still on the chilly side though, with temperatures only reaching the upper 40s, but then we're back to the 50s by Tuesday. That's a check at your local weather forecast. I hope everybody has a great weekend, and don't forget to stay weather aware on Saturday.